I know you worked hard on your Google site and it shows. Sometimes you'll have a section that a parent cannot click on and they'll receive the message you see here, which says you need access. That means that you haven't granted the proper permissions in your Google Drive. What you need to do to remedy this problem for our families is open the document that you've linked to your Google site from within your Google Drive. For the purposes of this video, I've created a practice document to show you how to update permissions properly. When you go to your document, find the Share button in the upper right corner. You're going to click this button. You're going to see who you have shared the document with, and as you can see here, I've only shared this document with myself. No one else has permission to view it. So you're going to go to the bottom where it says Get Link, and it says Change Link to Fort Worth ISD. Go ahead and click that, and then you're going to be given the option for one more pull-down menu. Select anyone with the link, and now you can see it says that your permission has been updated so that anyone on the internet can view if they have the link. Also make sure that you have changed your permissions over here from editor or commenter to viewer, because you do want anyone to be able to see your document, but you do not want anyone to be able to edit or comment on your document. Once you have anyone on the internet with this link can view and viewer selected, click Done. Now that you have updated your document, anyone on the internet, whether they're signed into Google through Fort Worth ISD or not, will be able to view what you want them to see when they log into your Google site.